The word average has an incredible history. It spanned 3 languages and changed meanings at least 5 different times. The word probably originates from Arabic. The verb awida meant to lose an eye. But over time, this meaning generalized. The term ayawad came to mean a sort of defect or damage, and this generalized even more. Awariya came to mean damages in general. During the 13th century, Arabs were becoming a major naval power, and as such, Arabic words were spreading throughout the Mediterranean. One such example is awariya, which became avariya in Italian. But here's the thing, because of the context it developed in, that being naval powers in the Mediterranean, it developed a new connotation. Instead of just damages in general, it specifically referred to naval damages. This passed into early modern French as avarie, and then in English we added a suffix to make it average. But at the time, this still meant naval damages. How did the new meaning come about? It comes from the law of averages. Imagine for a second you're on a sinking boat. Of course you need to do whatever you can to make that boat lighter, and so you want to throw everything off the ship immediately. But hang on a second, that's kind of unfair to whoever's stuff you're throwing off, right? Like, what if you throw off all of one person's prized possessions, but none of someone else's? The law of averages solves this. It states that during an emergency, throw off whatever average, naval damage, you have to. It's okay to ditch things in an emergency. But afterwards, once we do all the math and see what's owed, we should divide up equally however much money one person is owed and give it all to them. You can probably see where the modern meaning comes from now. Because the law of averages stated that sailors' compensations were equally divided, it quickly developed the mathematical sense of equally dividing a group of numbers. And from there, it was only a matter of time before it passed into common parlance.